I'm about to make stock, and we thought we'd film it. Probably a lot of people already do this, but just in case you hadn't thought of it yet, I save every scrap of every drop of vegetable that I don't put into something else I'm cooking over time in the fridge. I just keep these bags in the fridge, and then every time I'm chopping anything, everything goes in here. And then when I have enough, I make stock for soups or for risotto or anything else. So I have enough now, and you definitely don't want to wait until it gets too full because it'll start getting moldy. So it did start getting moldy, but we'll just not use the very bottom because that stuff's been in there for a little while. The top's all good. So squash skins and seeds really are the #1 stock maker. Obviously meat bones too if you eat meat, or cheese rinds, things like that.
And you've got garlic peels and onion skins and roots, all sorts of things, huh?
Whatever there is goes in, and then cover it with water, and then put it on the wood stove. And I don't let it come to an actual boil, but I just let it come to an almost boil because the vegetables get kind of bitter if it comes to a boil. And then I just cook it until it gets dark and nice, and then strain it, and then you have really great stock. We're about to strain the stock. We had it initially on the wood stove, but the wood stove wasn't running very hot, and it's kind of late, so we brought it onto the electric stove and brought it up to an almost boil, but not a boil, and then put it back on the wood stove to cook while we ate dinner and did other things. So probably for a couple hours. I honestly would cook it a little bit more if I didn't want to go up to bed and be done with it. The squash seeds give off a lot of really nice oil, and they've given off some, but they could definitely give off more. But I'm going to strain it anyway, because I want to be done. Nice drippy noises too.
Mm-hmm.
So then I'll just let it cool overnight on the counter and put it in jars and keep it in the fridge for random times I want to make a soup or something for dinner. And probably not that new to a lot of people, but if it is new to some, then hopefully it's helpful. That's it.
Thank you for sharing.